Hey, my gems, it's your girl LiQWYD, and I'm here to do a soft glam with no eyeshadow makeup look with a voiceover. I haven't done a voiceover for you guys in a while, so I'm kind of excited about it. But I've been home with the newborn for the past couple of weeks, and I just wanted to do something to spruce myself up with this nice, easy look. I'm not going anywhere, but your girl just wants to look good and feel good. So we're going to go and dive right in. I'm going to be starting off with my Colourpop Pretty Fish Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation in the color Deep Dark. And of course, I'm going to be using my LiQWYD brushes. They're linked below. They're so cute in rose gold and pink. And you know, anything that's pink, your girl is a fan of it. So if you're interested, I'll link it below and you can use 10% off using the code NKK10. But yes, so this foundation, I like it to use it because it's very light coverage and it doesn't feel heavy on your face, doesn't clog your pores. And it's my great foundation that I use to transition from my fall, from like summertime to my fall look. So you see, I'm just going to just tap it in, and it just blends very, very well. I feel like it matches my like my neck, so I don't have to really do too much. But I did my eyebrows before because y'all know how my eyebrows be acting. Next, I'm going in with this concealer. It's called Shade 400 by a company called Item. I got it from one of my flip orders, and I like this foundation, this concealer, because it's just very, very smooth to put on. I like the application, and it doesn't like it blends very well. It doesn't get matte. It's not a matte concealer, but this is just really, really good for just highlighting, and I just love the shade. Then I'm going to go in and start from the outside with my beauty blender. It's already wet. Never use a dry beauty blender. And just go from the outside going in. And it, like I said, you just see how it just easily blends in. Not too much work to get it to work, to blend in with your face. And I just really, really like this concealer. It's like my go-to when I'm not using it for a matte look. I said right now it's like fall, winter, so I'm not looking for a matte anymore. I'm looking for more of a hydrating look, because skin tend to get dry during the winter fall season. Here's another item that I got from my flip box. It's by a company called Hourglass. This is actually supposed to be a stick foundation, but I'm actually using it as a contour. It's in the shade Espresso, and I just like because you can see it's very, very deep and it's smooth. That's why I kind of love it. It's a very, very smooth application, and I've had it a lot comes into this little stick. So I'm putting the contour around. You can either do a contour if you like to, or you can use a bronzer, but today I want to do a contour. And you see, like I said, it's so smooth and it goes on very, very nicely. The whole look is coming together and I'm just really excited about it. We're almost finished, y'all. I told you this is a very, very simple look. I'm going in now with my e.l.f. powder foundation in Deep 540N. It's the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation, and it's very, very smooth as well. It comes with a little powder applicator, but I just prefer to use my brush, and it just kind of helps to even out everything, just makes it smooth and even and beautiful. Literally only have 2 more steps left. So of course, you know, I'm a fan of the eyeliner mascara eyeliner glue. It's an eyeliner glue, and so I put it on my lashes. So I had to, as the glue to put my eyelashes on. I'm going to put it over my eye as an eyeliner as well, and then I'm also going to put my lashes. I'm using my LiQWYD lashes, and of course the glue is also from a LiQWYD closet. So of course, if you see anything, even the mirror from LiQWYD's closet, everything will be linked below for you. Support your girl. So you can see I put both of the eyelashes on, and I'm just going to let them dry with my fan. And now going in with my Juvia's Place lipstick. I love this color for the fall. It is so beautiful. So this lipstick is from Juvia's Place. It's in the shade Cocoa. Like, you don't need any liner, but I'm just topping it with one of my e.l.f. cosmetic lip glosses to kind of give it a shine. But just look how beautiful that brown lip looks on. And then now I'm putting in my setting spray, and you guys, we are done with the look. Okay, you guys, that was my short, simple, everyday kind of soft glam look. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to link the products, specifically the names of the products. Honestly, if they have links, I'll link them for you. But this is just like something you can do simple every day. Not everybody is good with eyeshadow, so this is a non-eyeshadow look. Comment below, let me know what you think. I love it. I feel it looks really, really natural and soft, not too much, but I still have to, like, if you want to do lash mascara instead of lashes, you can. That will kind of downer the look a bit, but your girl got to get some lashes. If I'm gonna do some glam, I gotta put some lashes. But yes, so thanks for watching. Please comment below, let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Toodles.